Hey everyone, John here with Billings Seafood Guys and home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. We are back with another episode of Simple Seafood Recipes. We got a treat for you guys today. This is something that I've never done and I've been wanting to do for a long time. You always hear people talking about putting like a jelly glaze on their salmon. I thought people were crazy. I had no idea why you would even think about doing that. But after I've checked out a bunch of different recipes and seen different pictures, we gotta try this so that you guys can try this. So we're gonna be doing a jalapeno jelly glazed salmon. So here we got our salmon right here, and then here is our jalapeno jelly. This is actually made locally out of Laurel, Montana by the Red Rooster Kitchen. And this is definitely something where you guys can check Red Rooster Kitchen out on social media or their website and get this stuff coming your way. But we are really excited about this. It's a raspberry jalapeno jelly mix. Let's get going. Here it is, everybody. So we just made, and I made for the first time, jalapeno jelly glazed salmon. So this is a raspberry jalapeno jelly made by Red Rooster Kitchen outside of Laurel, Montana. And here goes the taste test. So I'm going belly first because that's the best part. So as you guys can see, it came right off the skin. Awesome. This thing's been just smothered in the jelly, so here we go. So far, so good. I want a piece with a little bit more chunks. There it is. I actually have pieces of the jelly in there, chunks of jelly. A lot more flavor. I really like that. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Here comes the heat. I was kind of wondering about the heat. I'm not a big fan of it, but this actually pairs really well with the raspberry and the jelly. And it's not that hot. I like that. I'll definitely do that again. It's like, I like the fruity flavor and then the heat behind it. And I'm just a big fan of salmon. Those people that aren't into salmon, you know, obviously don't try this. But I really like that taste of salmon. That's good. I'm definitely gonna try that again. I'm really curious about the different jelly flavors with the jalapeno and doing it on the salmon. So hey, I hope you guys try this. As you saw, it's insanely easy. It's another fun way of doing salmon, something different, something creative. And it's also made with a local product outside of Laurel, Montana with Red Rooster Kitchen. So awesome. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is all about learning. So what I was kind of talking about is like waiting for more of that flavor. So I wasn't thinking, but obviously we've got all of that jelly still in the pan from when we just glazed everything. So make sure you guys scoop up some of that jelly and dip in there, because now these bites are full of flavor. So there we go. I'm glad we found that before we finish this video. Thanks guys, enjoy.